How to open bank account at home. Now you can obviously open up a bank account at your home or from the comfort of your home if the bank you're trying to create an account on actually offers you the online banking services. Now, first of all, deciding upon which bank account that you'd like to create, it's totally a personal choice. In this case, I'm simply using Bank of America, which is bankofamerica.com, and they do offer you online banking services. So to create a bank account, now it doesn't have to be this bank. You can actually just use any of the other banks that you want to create, whether it be Chase Bank, Scotia Bank, or other Wells Fargo Bank, and so on, right? Now from here you can go to checking the savings account, and from there you can go to open a savings account. This process could differ depending upon the bank that you are using it, and obviously you can simply go to a savings account. Now we have already covered actually in our channel most of the bank accounts and how you can create an account in them. So depending upon which bank you want to create an account on, you can simply try to search them on our channel, and once you've done that you should be able to fill in an application. You might also have to submit your documents in order for you to go ahead and then finish creating your bank account from your home. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.